let's do rendang daging, the authentic Malaysian beef rendang. I will come this side now.
Go. Can you show it? And now you eat. Go more close.
Beef short rib. In this case, you can use anything. Hi guys, I'm Anbu from Malaysia. So, what for you?
Go ahead.
But you guys can use any cut of.
No any. I said no any.
Let's do rendang daging, the authentic Malaysian beef rendang. Hi guys, I'm Chef Anbu from Penang, Malaysia.
No, from Penang, Malaysia. Punto. Beef rendang is a slow cook beef dish rich in spices. Simple dish, let's say simple dish because require a lot of ingredients. Originating from the Minangkabau ethnic that is in the west of Sumatra. It's one of the emblematic or iconic dish of Indonesia, but really popular even in the neighborhood like Malaysia, Singapore. The word rendang came from the Minangkabau word marandang, that is referred to the slow cooking process of the dish.
Rendang is a really tasty dish. Can say like a Malaysian national dish, which everyone is favorite, especially among the Malay community people. Special dish whenever any special occasion like a weddings, any celebration like Christmas, Eid, Diwali, whatever.
There are two different rendang. There is the wet rendang, or called rendang calio, that is with a little bit more gravy, or the dry rendang, more traditional form where the gravy is reduced till caramelized around the beef. Rendang is really famous and considered one of the most delicious food even from the CNN pool.
Hi guys, I'm Chef Anbu from Penang, Malaysia.
Simple dish, let's say simple dish because require a lot of ingredients. Chef.
Yes, chef. Let's do it. So the main ingredient is the fresh coconut. It's a secret of the recipe.
Dividing coconut milk, in our case we use the powder one, but you can use the fresh one, and this.
So what is this?
Toasted coconut paste. How we do it? Take fresh coconut, we take that, yeah, shave it. Toast it in the pan and we get this kind of crispy coconut flakes. We blend all together and we get this. This is what we are gonna use, that's it.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Beef. In this case, we use short rib, but you can use different cut like a brisket or top side.
Ginger. Fresh ginger. Fresh onion.
Red onion.
Garlic cloves.
Fresh lemongrass.
But don't move after that so quick.
Okay.
Lemongrass. Fresh galangan. Palm sugar. Kefir leaf or lime leaf, cinnamon, turmeric, fennel seed, some cloves, fresh tamarind, that's it.
Dry chili.
And of course, our short ribs.
So rendang we can serve with a lot of variety sides, but in Malaysia usually we serve two kind of type of rice, but there's a different shape. One is a ketupat, another one is lemang. So the ketupat is usually we stuff in the young coconut leaves or palm leaves. We make like a poach, like a diamond shape, and we put the rice and we steam it. Jasmine rice. Another version is lemang. It's a bamboo. We start with the glutinous rice with the coconut milk, and we roast in fire. In Malaysia we call bakar. So in English you guys can call charcoal. It's charcoal grill. How you say? Like you put the charcoal and we call it bakar. Actually it's a charcoal grill.
You can eat it with rice or with this that the chef handmade by himself, kind of traditional way, but today it's about the beef. Steps to follow.
First, we take onion, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, galangal, turmeric. We put in the blender and make it paste.
And we get something like that.
Second step, we take fennel seed, clove, we toast it in the pan and blend it like a powder. Third step, take the tamarind paste, put in the water, soak it for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets soft, so it's easy to squeeze.
After in a pot, we put our paste, our beef, and we let it go till the beef release the juice. After that, we start adding all the ingredients. Just keep aside your tamarind, your sugar, and your coconut paste. Really important. We add, after that, our coconut milk. In this case is powder coconut milk. That means we need to add water on it. Same amount of powder, same amount of water.
Add the coconut milk and cook for 10 minutes until it's getting the boiling.
After adding the coconut milk, we bring it to boil it. When it's boiling, we reduce the fire and we season it. Salt, sugar, and our tamarind. Remember that. Our tamarind before we need to soak in water for approx 10-15 minutes.
Now keep cooking the meat until tender and the gravy is reduced. Approximately 3 to 4 hours. It depends the cut of the meat and the size of the meat.
After that, what we need to do is add our paste of coconut, the toasted one with it, and we let it go for 3-4 hours till the meat is really soft and the gravy is reduced till consistency. That's it. Look at that. We cut our rice in cube. Yeah?
Like if you
don't find the right one, you can do this.
Oh.
This.
Okay.
and we have our beef rendang. That's the one, guys. What we will do, we take the rice, one beef on top, by end of course, and let's test this beauty.
This rice already okay.
Actually, it's amazing, guys. Perfect, and the rice is beautiful. Let's make your own.
Let's do rendang daging, the authentic Malaysian beef rendang.
And preparing the studio for the chef to cook the beautiful rendang. Look at that. Yeah, chef?
Yeah.